Hey everyone, it's me. So my mom called me to go outside and grab the mail that she ordered me online. It's cough drops. Well, since I'm getting better now from being sick, you never know what could happen. So she bought me a big bag of cough drops. Just open it. It's gonna be hard for me to open this because I'm using a tablet. I don't have no room on my phone to record. I haven't updated my apps in like 3 months. So I need an SD card. Damn it. Come on. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. You know what? Let's just start with this. There you go. Just poke a hole in it. Alright. There we go. There it is. Man, look at this big ass bag of cough drops. Honey and lemon. I have this, but a small bag. Come on. Shit. Look, see right here. Yeah, this will last me months. Yeah, so these are the good ones. I also have other ones right here, but this one tastes good. Anyways, I have to go. Have a good weekend, guys.